Hey, what's going on, everyone? King here, back for another video. So instead of really preparing to go to court, you see my other videos, I said that we're nearing the finish line. There's a finish line in dealing with this air property legal dispute and family and the whole 9 yards. So I'm going to take this time to take care of myself and go to the gym and unwind and relax, because normally I'll be working today or going to work later this evening, but today is a day off because, again, I was supposed to be in court tomorrow, but unfortunately that's not going to happen due to court conflicts. The scheduling of the courtroom between the circuit courts of Florence and Marion County, that the court hearing is postponed to hopefully into July. So I think in July that we'll be going back to, or at least attempting again to have court to resolve the legal issues affecting the air property and whatnot. So at some point in time I will have my day in court, but until then I'm gonna make the most of it by taking care of myself and going to a gym and enjoying the days that I have off to unwind and relax, and maybe do some traveling, leisure travel, personal travel here in South Carolina and other parts of the world. It's been about a year since I have traveled. Actually, take it back. October I went to the DR. In October I went to the Dominican Republic. That was a good time. I was there for like 4 days before I started working again. So I think it's time for me to get back on the road, man, and start traveling, especially in the summer months, and possibly in the fall if I have some time off to again unwind and relax and enjoy myself, take care of myself. So I mean, we all need that time, right? We all need that personal time to enjoy ourselves, take care of ourselves, and not always on the grind out here working and doing other things, you know. So that's what I'm going to do. But yeah, it's unfortunate that the hearing has been postponed, but it's just be a matter of time. Excuse me, sorry about that. Sorry, my camera. But yeah, it's a matter of time before we get our day in court and see how things play out. But we'll use this extra time to prep and have my lawyer be prepped. Make sure that my lawyer has all the information that he will need to argue this case on behalf of me and my mother and other family members who are not parties in this case. But yeah, I'm gonna basically be on my grind in a sense to make sure that I gather all the evidence, compile it, and organize it. So when we go to court, it's be simple as 1, 2, 3. Anything that the defendants are going to say, I'm gonna have an answer to it. I'm gonna have the evidence to back it up. You know, not just he said, she said, hearsay, gossip, rumors, misinformation, disinformation, but actual factual information to back up every statement that I say. I'm going to have a better piece of evidence to prove it, and that's the way it needs to be. You know, all this things that they're saying that I am mad, bitter, and petty, that's just a personal opinion. That whatever. Prove that in court. Prove it in court of law. Those that are saying that I am trying to sell the land, prove it. Those that have said that I don't have the best interest of the air property, prove it. My work will speak for itself. I have the evidence to prove it. Things that I've did, anything that I've touched, anything I've done has been recorded either by video, audio, or documentation. So this is even before I started making these videos, talk about my experience in dealing with the air property and family and whatnot. Like any text messages, any Facebook messages between family and other parties, phone calls, you name it, I have records of it. So it's going to be their word versus my word. They're going to prove it in court of law. But anyway, so I'm on the way to the gym. Just thought I'd just make this video, and I might make a part 2 of me talking about the case. Well, actually, how many parts has this been? It's probably been several parts, but I'll continue this video, continue this discussion, and dive into some parts of the case, things that some of the defendants have said, and prove them wrong by presenting evidence. So until then, let's see another video. Take care. Peace.